Hello and welcome to my channel. Christmas is my favorite time of the year, with streets and shops beautifully decorated with lights. For today I have very quick video for beginners. If you have just over 3 minutes to spare, you are welcome to watch it. I'm using large plastic medallion. As you already know, you need to sand the surface first to make it matte, so our paint can stick to it easily. I already prepared mine and covered it with one coat of primer. When everything is dry, I tear my rice paper with fingers. This way edges tend to blend better and you need less varnish later on. I also tear paper towards center because my medallion is round. If you skip this part, you will get wrinkles. Now I can start gluing. I apply glue on my medallion and then on top of the paper, starting from the middle, smoothing it towards the edge. This isn't too complicated and you can even make this with your child. When glue is dry, I take my biggest sponge, load it with little bit of red paint, wiping excess on kitchen towel, and I tap around edge, framing my clock. I try leaving sponge edges fairly dry. Most of your paint must be in the middle of your sponge. This way sponge will leave this soft edge around the clock. The last step, and let me remind you, the most important, is varnishing sanding process. I use triple thick varnish to save some time, as one coat of this varnish is like 3 coats of any other. It also gives high shine to my decoration. I usually apply a couple of coats and after drying I use fine sandpaper to sand it. Then I repeat this step several times. Take your time doing this as varnish needs to be properly dry before sanding. I always use sandpaper grading 600 and above. I had to repeat my process 10 times before I was happy with the finish. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and see you soon.